Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. Today we will learn ANOVA, which stands for Analysis of Variance. The big idea in ANOVA is variation. We look at two kinds of spread, between group variation and within group variation. Between group variation is the distance between the group means. Within group variation is the spread of points inside each group. We begin with two hypotheses. The null hypothesis says all group means are equal. The alternative says at least one mean is different. To make a decision, we compute the F statistic, which compares between group variation to within group variation. We quantify variation using sums of squares. SS sub B is between, SS sub W is within, and total SS is their sum. Then we divide by degrees of freedom to get mean squares. Now, let's walk through a simple example with three fertilizers. Group A is 6, 8, 10. Group B is 3, 5, 7. Group C is 1, 2, 3. Each group has 3 plants. The gram mean is the average of the group means. 8 plus 5 plus 2 divided by 3 gives 5. Now, we compute S sub B. Each group has n equals 3. We get the distance from each group mean to the grand mean, square it, and multiply by n. Now, SS sub W measures the spread inside each group. We sum the squared distances from each data point to its own group mean. Now, the degrees of freedom. dF sub B equals 3 minus 1, which is 2. dF sub W equals 9 minus 3, which is 6. So MS sub B is 54 divided by 2, which is 27. MS sub W is 18 divided by 6, which is 3. Finally, F is 27 divided by 3, which is 9. At a 5% significance level, the critical value is about 5.14. Our F value is 9, which is larger. So we reject the null hypothesis and conclude at least one fertilizer gives different growth.